What's up guys, we're going to change the oil on this one because it is now time and go take a ride. Oh, oil for the chain, oil filter. I also got this seal here because I noticed that a little bit of oil under here, so I'm going to replace that seal. Also noticed a little more down there by the oil drain plug. I'm gonna use jack this time because I've smashed my fingers enough times that I don't want to do that anymore. Pulling this plow mount off, so let's use the jack this time. Alright, with the skid plate removed, it's a lot easier to see up in here. Got a little bit of oil leaking there, so we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil, clean it up. I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil filter out, so we're done with that part of it. Then we're gonna check out that seal under there, as well as replace the seal on the other side, and then we'll fill it back up with oil. Like a roofing screw it into the seal. You don't want to screw it in too far because there's stuff behind it, you know. And then you just pull it out and you've got your seal out here. Clean that up a little bit. So just grab a PVC pipe that is the diameter of your seal and that'll press it in. The little screw helps pull it out. Woo. Alright, to get that piece out of there, so we removed the front bolt. We splattered oil all over the place. Not on the camera, right? But it's on my arm. But the camera looks to be oil free. What's up with that? Looks like I need more ATV silicone on it. Alright, so we're just gonna put...
Don't touch that, like...
Yeah, there's oil on the other side. Thanks for the mess. So we're going to put ATV silicone on that, put that back up there, and then we have to let it cure for a while. Also found out about the exhaust gasket. It looks like it's loose too. And I know what you're thinking, I probably should have washed the four-wheel off before we started here. Arts and Crafts here. We're putting on black ATV silicone. He's going for a 16th bead. So we'll let that sit there and cure for an hour, and we'll move on up here to the exhaust gasket. So we just torqued the exhaust bolts back down to 20 foot-pounds, and the exhaust is fixed there. We've got that tightened back in there. the oil change. We got a seal in there replaced. We tightened up the exhaust bolt. New oil filter. And we should be all good to go. We also got new RTV silicone on the oil cap there. Alright, we're all back together. We're gonna go take it for a ride. About it. We fixed the ATV. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe down below. As always, we have the links of all the stuff we use in these videos below. Thanks y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. What? Now we're recording?
No,